Hey babes, garters are a lingerie staple and look freaking hot, but they can be difficult to master. So we're going to give you the lowdown on how to hook every garter. Number 1, the how-to. First things first, put on your thigh-high stockings. Next, unhook the garters by pushing the rubber piece up and out of the clasp. Press the rubber piece inside of the clasp and slide it down into place. This may take a few tries, so don't get frustrated. Slide the stocking a couple inches between the clasp and rubber piece. We don't recommend hooking near the very top because it's easy for the garter to pop off. Extra tip, if your stockings have silicone grips, make sure to place the garters beneath the grips. The garters won't hook onto the rubber grips and can become damaged. Number 2, the back garter hack. Instead of twisting yourself backwards, hook the back garters before putting them on. Lay your lingerie flat and loosen the back garter straps. Make sure your hosiery is facing the correct direction and hook the back garter straps. Then carefully step into your lingerie and hosiery. When you've completely dressed, adjust the length of the back garters if necessary and hook your front garters. Number 3, the unfinished fishnet stockings. When dealing with an unfinished fishnet stocking, slide the stocking a couple inches between the clasp and the rubber piece into a fishnet loop. Then hook the clasp. It will cause the stocking to slightly gather and will prevent it from popping off. Number 4, ditch the straps. If you're not feeling the clasp, skip the clasp, find a look that has attached like garters, all the benefits of the sexy look without the stress. And that's it. Go get your lingerie on, babe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.
Hey guys, it's Lauren. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe to our channel.